It's a system walk around of the RaVolt system out in beautiful Wyoming. As you can see, our system is comprised of one large NEMA-rated cabinet and one generator. What is inside that cabinet? This is where all of the circuitry and battery storage is handled. So everything is pre-wired in our factory and then it's shipped out to drop in place. No inverter installation needed. You're not wiring any of the batteries, nothing. It's all plug and play for you. We aim to make this as easy as possible. So as you can see, the inverter is hooked up to a generator. There's also an automatic transfer switch involved. So in the event of an inverter failure, we can fail to direct power from the generator to the home. In normal operation, the point of the generator is to simply recharge batteries when they would hit a low state of charge overnight. So at times when solar is not available. This would also be during times of heavy storms. All of this is hooked up into a beautiful 24 module solar array producing 10.44 kilowatts of power. And if you do your math there, these are each 435 watt panels, but we will be getting bigger and better panels sooner because the technology is increasing every day. If you are interested in this product, give our sales team a call. We would be happy to walk through all of the different modifications to the system that we can potentially make to suit your individual needs. Call RaVolt.